Hey guys, welcome to Diecast Takeover. We got a few cars to look at today. We have Matchbox Color changers. We're going to be starting off with the 1990s Volkswagen Transporter. This one's the crew cab. We have a little bit of detail work to do on the front end. Really awesome bed in the back. A little bit of stuff like a little luggage bag, tire. Thinking about putting a rooftop tent on it, and maybe a rooftop, maybe a lift kit, like a tire change. Some more aggressive. Also has a hitch on it, which I'm very happy for. Got some plans for that. Next up, we got the Ford Exposition. This is a first generation from 1997 to 2000. Got a little bit of detail work to do on the front of this one too. Might get to that. And on the tail end, it's a shame they had the red windshield to it with the little siren on the top. Kind of a bummer. And then we also on the back have the jungle crawler, which we have right here. Look at this bad boy. They call it the jungle crawler, but in reality, this is a Dodge powerwagon. WM300. This is like the kind of carry-all version. Kind of weird. It's like a coupe. We have the little troop open doors. Let me get my hand out of the way. See that? Very nice. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing like a tire swap on these. Maybe give these tires to Volkswagen. Gonna have to do a lot of work to get those to fit under there. It's gonna be kind of crazy. But let's get the unboxing started. Very excited to crack this guy open. Alrighty. Alright. Put up a little fight. Wow, this looks really good actually. Very happy with it. Got a little detail work to do on the front, like I said. Probably gotta go black across it and then do a little bit of white. Wow, look at the interior on it. How cool is that? And you got the bed, the chain, bag, tire. So we got that hitch. Have to do some lights. Some black accent pieces on here. Very cool indeed, very cool. Can't wait to see the color change on these. Alright. Up next, we'll get this guy punched open. Dodge powerwagon it is. Alright, take a look at her. Very cool. Cool little back doors. Yeah, the wheels just look a little too narrow on it. I think I'm about swapping these out. Thinking about putting maybe these wheels from this Defender. I think I might swap these two. I think it would look cooler with that wider stance on these. Kind of fill out this area here. I'm gonna paint that red. I'm gonna do a little bit of this, probably black. Very cool. All right. Let's get to the Ford Expedition. I believe this is the one that had like quite a bit of problems with it when it came out. Nothing we won't fault it for now. Actually, the only thing I will fault it for is having that red tint windshield. Oh man. go. All right. Very cool. Kind of weird coloring. Pretty interesting. All right. Take a quick side-by-side of some of them. I really like this Volkswagen. This thing was very cool. It's cool just seeing it like rolling around. All right, so grab the water. Let's get some of this out of the way. Wow. How cool is that? How cool is that? Neato. Kind of like seeing it just like the half color. Wow, how cool is that? Neat. Very neat indeed. So now we have a silver. Seems like having two cars. Very, very cool. I like that a lot, actually. Cooler than I thought it'd be. Let's go for the Explorer. My hand's probably about to give it away already. Right, okay. So this is just like a lighter green. Pretty neat. I think I like the darker green though more. Next we get the powerwagon. Wow, look at that. Okay, that almost turned green. Wow, that is very cool. Look at that. Very cool. Wow, that was actually pretty impressive. And that almost had like a gold finish to it, and that was a completely different green. Like the silver. Very cool. Yeah, it's so cool. I'm guessing it's just gonna get colder and it's gonna go right back to its old color. Very neat. Alright, well, I've made quite a mess, so I'm going to stop the video right here.